Hello, my name is Alexandre Augusto. I'm a technical product trainer for DocuSign University. In this trainer tip video, I will be presenting how to send an agreement using the DocuSign IAM platform. It's simple, fast, and secure. Let's go. In your signature account, access the home page, then click on the Start button, then select Envelopes, and click in Send an Envelope. Under Added Documents, click in Upload, then click in Browse, and just select the agreement. You can select more than one if you need. Let me select this Fontara Mutual NDA and click in the Open button. Now the file is being loaded to the envelope. Now it's time to add the recipients, those who will receive the agreement to sign. Let me add name and an email address. You can optionally set a signing order, establishing who will be the first to sign, the second, and so on. Let me set a signing order and add one more signer, clicking Add Recipient button. Now I have 2 recipients, but you can add up to 99 recipients by envelope. In my example, I added a second recipient with the needs to sign action. The first and the second recipients or signers will receive an email notification to sign the agreement, but you can also select SMS or WhatsApp as a delivery method. Let's suppose that you would like to add a third recipient to receive the agreement after it's completed. Add recipient, name of the recipient, and email address, and now I just need to change needs to sign to receive a copy. So after the 2 signers signed the agreement, the HR department, the third recipient, will receive a signed copy. Receives a copy. Now, customize a subject message. It's important to use words that will be used to search for later. In this case, I'm adding for Look Doc. Customize a message body. Hello. Please review and sign. Thank you. Select an envelope type. Envelope type helps categorize your agreements for better search and reporting and identifying trends. In this case, I'm selecting NDA as an envelope type. Set a frequency of reminders. Reminders are automatically sent to the signers, reminding them there is an agreement pending to be signed. In this case, I will keep every 2 days. After that, click on Next. You are almost there. It's time to select the signer, then drag and drop fields to the right place. On the left, select the signer Look Doc. Now I just need to drag and drop fields, signature field, name field, email, and date signed. I can select all the fields here and align on the left. And for the second signer, I can just select these fields, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Select the place, and on the right change from Look to Joaquin. Piece of cake, right? Optionally, you can click the preview button to check if everything is okay. And you can see the agreement as your signers are going to see. So it's a good option before sending your agreement. You can select the text to close. If everything is okay, ready to go, just click the Send button. And your agreement was sent inside the envelope. You can monitor your agreement's status. Select the Agreements tab. On the left panel, select the Sent folder. On the right, you can see your envelope status in the column Status and Envelope Status. On this example, It's waiting for others to sign. Hey, did you see how easy and fast it is to send an agreement using DocuSign IAM platform? Again, my name is Alexandre Augusto, and I invite you to watch other trainer tip videos that my colleagues have also created for your benefit. Have good agreements and see you soon.